Welcome to the next video in our budgeting series. I'm Val, and today we're going to distinguish between trading and investing. Understanding the difference can significantly impact your financial future. Let's dive in. When you start learning how to save and grow your money, you will often hear about trading and investing. While both aim to increase your wealth, they're fundamentally different. So, what sets them apart? Let's start with trading. Trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, or currencies, with the goal of making short-term profits. Traders often hold assets for a few seconds to several months, aiming to capitalize on market fluctuations. Think of trading like flipping houses. You are buying low and selling higher, and constantly looking for the next opportunity. Trading requires a lot of time, market knowledge, and a high tolerance for risk. It's dynamic and can be quite stressful. Now, let's talk about investing. Investing is about building wealth over the long term. Investors buy assets with the intention of holding them for years, even decades. The focus is on the potential growth and income these assets can generate over time. Imagine investing like planting a tree. You nurture it, watch it grow, and over time it provides you with a fruit and a shade. Investing is typically less stressful and requires patience and a long-term perspective. So, which one is right for you? It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the time you can dedicate. If you have a high risk tolerance and enjoy the thrill of the market, trading might be for you. But if you're looking for strategy, long-term growth, investing is likely a better fit. Here, a few tips. Number one, assess your risk tolerance. Be honest about how much risk you can handle. Trading can be highly volatile, while investing is more stable. Number two, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your money, short-term gains or long-term wealth. Number three, educate yourself. Whether you choose trading, investing, or both, continuous learning is crucial. Stay informed about market trends and financial strategies. Remember, both trading and investing have their place in a well-rounded financial strategy. The key is to understand the differences and choose the path that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this podcast helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, make smart money moves.